Hi guys and good morning. I'm trying to do like babe. Good morning. Doesn't work. Hi guys, happy Tuesday. Well, today is a new day. Nothing's much. Getting ready to go to work as usual morning. Babe she doesn't work today, so she will be at home all day. So I'm sure she's gonna have a lot of things to show you. Yeah, so enjoy today's vlog and I'll see you when I come back.
Big truck. Dad, big truck. Look up now, let's do this. Oh! Give me five. Give me five. Give me five. Oh, yes. Oh, Lord, I got a headache. Tyler! Mommy! Tyler! Oh my God, you're gonna kill me, yeah. And he screams so loud to my ears. I hope you got him.
Lord, perfectly.
I hope you got it.
And that's a wrap on morning workout. Hi face, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. Say good morning. How are you? Say hi. You're giving them popcorn? Nom nom numbers. Popcorn? Say popcorn.
Popcorn.
Listen, this boy is like things that we've talked about months ago. He remembers. He haven't had popcorn in about a month, and he just went in the kitchen randomly and point at the snack. Popcorn. Point at the snack cupboard and say, "Mama, popcorn, please, popcorn." And I'm like, how did he know that? How did he know that? So I just made him popcorn this early in the morning. Whoa! What's that? What's that? What is it? You cut popcorn thrown away. You have to hold it properly. So Tyler is having popcorn. I just finished workout. Baby's off to work. Yeah, popcorn. Baby's off to work. And I will be heading to work in the afternoon, which means I have to drop Tyler at daycare. Babe. Babe. Yeah, that's how I call Papa. That's how Mama calls Papa, babe. Yeah, babe. Listen, he repeats every single thing that we says. Everything. What's that? What's that? What's that? What is that? Listen, this boy is something else. So this morning will be, of course, busy for me because I have to head out to drop Tyler to daycare. And when Tyler have to go to daycare, I have a limited amount of time. So I have chicken in the slow cooker. Yes, you guys, the slow cooker is my favorite these days. Why? I don't have to attend to it when something is cooking. I just throw whatever I want in there and it gets the job done. So this chicken is been seasoned in the fridge for about a week now. It's just some chicken thighs which is in there seasoned. So I throw that in. So hopefully it will finish cook by the time I am to leave and go get Tyler. So that way, by the time I am to leave and go to the daycare to drop Tyler, because it would be good that I could get some lunch for it. But if I can't get lunch from it, then I always have something else can prepare for lunch. or I'll do salmon for lunch or something. But yeah, workout was good this morning. It was a success, and I was live on Instagram. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram, and you guys will catch up on everything that you haven't seen on the vlog. So yeah, hopefully you guys having a wonderful day. Make sure you guys get your workout in. Have a good day, have a good weekend. It doesn't really matter what it is that you're doing. Just let nothing steal your joy, let nothing steal your positive mindset. Let not the devil stand in your way of doing whatever you want to do. The only person that can stop you from doing anything that you want to do is you. And on that note, I am going to take a shower and have my breakfast. All right, you guys, comment down below and let me know what you guys having for breakfast this morning. I'm going to stop chit-chatting and get all my stuff done so I can be well on my way. Give them popcorn, tell them bye. Ooh, say excuse me, say later. Big boy, you're a big boy. Look how handsome you are. Look at you. Who is so handsome? Who is that? Handsome? Wow, Messi. Handsome. He's so darn handsome. Messi. You are so growing up. You're growing up way too fast. You know that? You know that? I love you. Bye. What you looking for? You guys, it's bad time for my little rugrat. You're looking for the dolphin that you hide under there. Baba, there it is. His dolphin soap. And while he's having a little playtime in his bath, I am trying to get ready. So I just did my eyebrows. I don't feel like wearing any full face makeup today, so I'm just doing my eyebrows and that's it. No makeup I'm not putting on today because I don't feel like it. So I'm just going to brush my hair out, make it neat, and put Tyler down for a nap and see if I can relax while he's napping. Dolphin, I'm going to relax while he's napping because I am so tired. Say nap time. Nap time. Yes, it's nap time. Nap time. You guys, look who is still up. You want food? Food. You're such a foodie. Foodie. You guys, Tyler would never go to sleep today for the love of me. He find everything for me to take him out his bed. Yes. What is this? What is this? What is it? What is this? Chicken. Chicken. Alright, let's eat chicken. Chicken. Wait, don't do that. He find everything for me. Wait. Say show. It's hot. Yes. He find everything for me to take him out his bed and he would never stop. He would never stop until I take him out of the bed. And he got out of the bed and he just decided to perplex me non-stop. So this baby will be going to daycare tired. And now he's here shouting chicken. You're gonna fall. Are you gonna let me eat so we can go? You're gonna have to put on your shoes and your clothes so we can catch the bus. No. Ty, please. You know you're not going to stop until you get hurt? Mm-hmm. You want to get hurt? Ty! So you guys, after being home until I wouldn't go to sleep, I decided that, hey, let's see if I leave the house earlier, if he would go to sleep. Yes, police. I said, okay, let's see if there's a fog in the camera. I said, let's see if I leave earlier, if he would fall asleep. And I said, all right, I'll try and catch the bus 20 minutes earlier. So I caught that bus, and halfway to the famous street, he was knocked out. So I think I made a good decision. So I got about 45 minutes sleep. We reached daycare, but it's not time yet for him to go in. He has 15 minutes wait. Yes, baby, so he just wake up. You're awake? You're awake? He's awake and saying police, car, train, everything that's passing. And of course, as you wake up, you have to snack and nuts. Eat because you're going inside soon and you can't bring any food with you. Okay, eat. He's just looking for the train to pass by. Looking for the train to pass by. Looking for the train. Looking for the train. Train. Looking for the train. So since I'm close by a park, I just decided to stop by and let him play a bit. So he's there sliding before we head off inside. Bravo! Big boys, all grown. Hello! Oh no! There you are! There you are! Ooh, ta-da! Bravo! Wow! Look at you! Look at you go! Baby! You see the baby? Baby! Baby! Go around, go around. Ty, go around. Baby! Take your time around the baby, okay? Stand up, stand, stand. You stand. Stand, Tyler. See the baby going. Baby going, baby going. Baby going. Wow, you go, you go. Wait, 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 fast. Bravo. He says, mama, bag on. Go, baby, go, walk. He knows exactly where we're going. Go, baby, go. Looks like that big boy is off to daycare, and now this mama is heading to babe office so I can drop off Tyler's stroller. And then I'm going to head to work.
Hi guys.
What?
Yeah, so it's well, I'm going to say the end of the day. It's the evening.
It's the night,
It's
you
the
mean?
night. Yeah, always. You know, as a French person, we don't call night like we call night when it's time to sleep. We don't really call night when it's the evening, like 9 p.m. We don't call night.
So what do you call it?
Evening.
Once it's dark is night.
Yeah, for us we call it evening. For example, if at this time you...
So it's only when you're going to sleep you say night?
Yeah, we say night, like going to sleep. For example, mainly, well, I say mainly, for example, we're taking a bus at this time, and when you leave the bus, you're gonna say evening, like soir, bonne soirée, like enjoy your evening, or enjoy the end of your evening will sound more appropriate. But even if it's at 9-10 p.m., you're gonna say enjoy the end of your evening. Understand? So maybe evening is not the exact translation, but it's the meaning. So yeah, in French we only call night when it's time to go to sleep. Anyway, yeah, we're here trying to enjoy. I'm gonna say the beginning of the weekend. It have been a very long week, a very hard and long week. And now the weekend is there, so it's time to rest a little bit. Yeah, I think I need a haircut.
You think you do?
I need a haircut, so
both you and Tyler need a haircut.
so I'm gonna get, I don't know for Tyler, but for me I sure I get one over the weekend.
Who's going to cut your hair?
You.
Oh,
My
you
wife.
pay me?
Yeah, I pay you.
Why you pay me?
You want me to pay you for that?
Of course.
Alright, I'm going ATM. I'm gonna give you some money for that and see how you feel. How much it cost?
You can't pay me, love.
I can't
You
pay
can't
you.
afford to pay me.
I can't afford a barber.
Nope.
I can't afford you as a
Me
barber.
as a barber, you can't afford.
Alright, I'm
Sorry.
going out to get my hair
So you're
cut.
not the one.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna do as usually. I went to pick up Tyler this time. I was on time because yesterday I won't say late, but
He went late.
I won't say late. He's
He
supposed to close at
went
6 and I
late.
went there like 10 minutes before 6. I went there like, but because all of the other parents went, and so they tell me that I need to go earlier because Tyler is like if
He gets sad when
he
the
gets
other
sad, he
parents
gets
come and he
anxious
doesn't
when
see his
right when you
parents.
see every kid living with their
Right.
parent and he's the last kid and
Yeah.
observant why daddy is not coming to
Yeah,
pick
that's
me
what they
up.
told me today when I dropped him. They said he gets so sad when he sees all the other parents pick up their kids and he's like, Mama, Papa.
Yeah, you know this the first times when I go there, when I come to pick him up, and it's like he don't care. He just okay, and sometimes he just look at me and say okay, and he go back to his stuff. But this week, yesterday, especially yesterday and today, when he see me, he just started. Wednesday was the same. He just started to scream and run to me.
Yeah, cool moment.
Yeah.
It's just crazy when I drop him now. He just walk in proudly. He take off his bag proudly. He pull his chair proudly. He sits and he's like he's the king of the class. He's just so proud of himself.
He's doing well.
He's doing so
He's doing
well,
very well.
man.
Yeah, that's a good.
He's-
Yeah,
he's-
I'm
he's
happy the way the
adjusting.
things turn.
Oh yeah, I was scared at first. Just the thought of daycare, of sending him to daycare, I was scared about it. But to see how he adjusts and to see how he manage is just really, really cool.
Feel bad?
Yeah.
You
but
ready for bed? You're ready
me
for
ready
bed.
for bed.
You're
That's the
ready for
Jamaican
bed.
expression for today. Me ready for bed. Me go on my bed. I am going to
You are
sleep.
going to
That's
bed.
all I'm saying, yes.
You are going to bed.
So why you lock yourself out of the camera?
She are go her bed.
Me I go on my bed.
Yeah.
But I can't go to bed when the house feels heavy. When it feels heavy, meaning it needs some kind of straighten up. I just can't go to bed leaving the house feel a certain way. So I know there's some dishes to wash, and I know Tyler toys need to put all the table look all jumbled, and baby showing you what everything's looking like. So I just can't go to bed with the house looking like that. I have to fix
We
it
have a
before I
kids.
go to bed.
We
Yeah,
have
we
a
have a
kid.
kid, but I can't go to bed with everywhere looking like this. I have to put some order in it before. Why are you embarrassing me showing my house like this?
We have a kid.
But that's okay.
I go on me bed.
Lie.
Me I go on me bed too.
Well, there you have baby.
A lie.
Nails it.
A lie you tell.
Like you guys, Tyler said, go away. I can't manage. That boy repeats everything.
You can't handle.
Wait. What's the French word or expression?
French is it's just gonna be a word that just coming is bordel. Bordel is like a wood word. I'm not gonna say cursing. It's just like a wood word for saying like disorganization. Like
So you're saying our house is
it's
disorganized?
a mess. It's a completely mess. C'est le bordel. So you can say bordel when is, for example, the kid play and leave everything's around bordel, or bordel like, yeah, when it's a mess, when it's a completely mess.
Understand. That's
Say
a good one. Bordel.
Bordel. Oh,
Bordel.
another. Bordel also mean is like I think it's an old word for prostitution house. Bordel. So back in the time they were saying I am going to the bordel. So you know they're going to the clothes house.
Oh my god. Okay.
But don't say this meaning. The other meaning good. Alright, so you're going to the bordel? You're walking at the bordel?
Yes, I'm working here. Alright, you guys, so we're just going to go ahead and tell you guys thanks for watching. We are going to bed. Well, we're going to tidy up first, and then we're going to go to bed. So give this video a thumbs up if it's your first time watching. Comment down below and subscribe. Catch up and keep up. Join the fam bam. And we will see you guys tomorrow. Say it again. And we will see you guys tomorrow. Your face look like you're pooping. Hilarious. Bye guys.